Hey everybody, Pete Werner here at Wilderness Lodge, getting ready to do my first stay as a DVC member and making her YouTube debut, my mom, Madeline. How are you, Mom?
I'm fine.
And are you excited?
Yes, this is nice.
You have said to me multiple times that you really want to stay.
Yes, at Wilderness Lodge, because I've never stayed here, and it looks so nice, and
And it's right up your alley. You like the nature,
yes,
you like
yes,
all that stuff.
I like this.
So
the atmosphere.
I bought in my first contract was at Copper Creek. I couldn't get anything there on short notice, but they were able to get me something at Boulder Ridge, and I just got my resale contract through DVCstore.com. There's a plug for Boulder Ridge. So as soon as that closes, I'm a Boulder Ridge member. So I own at both Copper Creek and Boulder Ridge. So I'm really excited, and it's kind of cool being a first time doing something. I mean, technically it's not my first because John and I had
Right.
Old Key West.
Yes,
and,
that's right.
But really, it's been so long. I can get away with calling it my first. So we're here to spend a couple days, and we're not going into the parks. We're not doing anything. We're just gonna have a nice time. And I wanted to make sure that this first trip that Mom was here because I've been talking about DVC for a long time. That I should do it. Maybe I don't know. Back and forth. When Bay Lake Tower opened, and Mom and I were over at the Contemporary, and we were looking at it, and she looked at me and she said, this was years ago, she goes, I think you should do this. I think this would be good for you. She doesn't say that stuff often. You don't say that often. So when she does, I'm learning more and more as I get older. I need to pay attention to it. So I'm very glad that we did, and I'm looking forward to this. So room's not ready yet, so we are here at Geyser Point. Going to have some lunch, and then hopefully a room will be ready soon. We have a 2-bedroom villa over in Boulder Ridge, so very excited. It's been a while since I've seen one of them. I want to see how they look now. Last time I was there, it's a little run down. Beautiful, but run down. So I'm hoping this room is nice. We'll find out. All right, so we just had a little bite to eat here at Geyser Point. I gotta say it was very good.
Oh, I enjoyed it.
You had the fruit plate. And you tried one of the teriyaki chicken wings.
Yes, very good.
That were really good. Those were like impressively good. And then I had a turkey sandwich. And Charles ate a buffalo. And Corey ate a turkey. But it was very nice. And we got here. We got to the resort around about 2:15, 2:30. Room's supposed to be ready at 4 o'clock, and at 4 o'clock, basically, I just get the text that our room is ready. So it was nice hanging out here at Geyser Point, but I'm really anxious to go see the room. So let's go do that.
Okay.
There's stains on this. That's kind of the... It's very pretty, and it really, really presents well, but, this was some of the problems I had the last time I stayed here was I noticed that things were kind of not new, or not as new as they should be. But I'm noticing the stains on this, and Mom's like rubbing the dirt off of it, which is really kind of a shame, but still really beautiful. I tell you, it really does have a nice wow factor when you walk in. This is extremely clean. This kitchen's extremely clean. And it looks like these look new. These appliances look new. Nice oven, microwave, and of course it's a DVC resort, so. Oh, well, we have someone's open bag of Mickey popcorn. And I can tell you it's been sitting there for a while because this popcorn is stuck together.
What?
Ooh, so housekeeping not so good. DVC is gonna hate my guts. They're gonna hate my guts. What surprises await in here? Nothing, okay. And again, clean. And the appliances do look new, and this is all very clean. That was unfortunate, but you know what, it can happen. Wow, this is, okay, so it's a little, like I see like the wear and tear on the table. But that's the stuff I look at. This is actually in pretty good shape. The carpet needs to be replaced. This carpet's seen better days. It's not bad, it's clean, but you can tell if you look at the where it meets the baseboard, you can tell if it's new, or if it's frayed. If it's frayed and there's a lot of dust and dirt down there.
Okay. The sink in the bathroom very clean, but somehow or other I noticed this. I don't know. I call it an air hole.
It's a drain.
A drain.
A drain, okay. And there's a lot of rust in there.
And there's a lot of.
And I want this on camera because I want people to see where I get it from. Okay. And then you have some observations about the bathroom.
Again, very clean, and the tub is very easy to get into. I mean, for the shower, I had absolutely no trouble. But look at the space. That's where I had the trouble.
It's such a small space.
Such a small.
And then you pointed out that you have on the other side of the wall, the closet is bigger than the bathroom.
You know, I know why they do this, so that people can put their suitcases and everything inside here. But they could have taken a little more space from the closet, and people could still.
That's like, you could let your kids sleep in there.
Yeah, you could put out a sleeping bag, huh?
Third bedroom.
Right.
That's a good observation, though. It's a good observation. No, you're absolutely right. I never would have caught that. So, no, it's good. Now, you know what's going to happen now? Every single hotel review I do, they don't want her there. I'm telling you.
No.
Okay, so now we actually get to buy some member merchandise, right? So we're in the Mercantile, which is a great store. It's one of my favorite stores in the Disney resorts. Just something about it that's really cool. I don't think they have anything that's particularly special. I just think the theme and the feel of it, I like it. So you could be seen from space. It's kind of fun, but you would never wear that color. She just got done having a cigarette, so I think these are so cheap. They're not like Turvis, you know? They're just, hold on. I feel like they're $800, $22. But I get a discount. You know. I think they must give you the member discount on member merchandise, right? Oh, there's more stuff over here. Gotta get the baseball hat and the pen. Baseball hat and the pen. So this is actually cool. I like these. I like this style of hat, but I don't like the color. But I'm gonna get it anyway. But I like that. That's a cool style. And then the pen. Very cool. So one of these little luggage tags. Don't be making fun of me. Oh yeah, these are actually nice. Look at these luggage tags. Why don't you come around? Look at these luggage tags. So it's like Disney Vacation Club, and then it opens up, and
Oh, very nice.
those are really cute. Doesn't match any piece of luggage I own. Okay, but we have to buy merchandise, and these are let's see what. Yeah, should be telling you the price. $13 for the luggage tag. The pin is yellow. I hate when they do that. I don't know what yellow costs. The hats are $28 for this hat. They really got balls. And this is coral. Put a damn price on things. Oh, Mom, you can get, I want these on you. Come here. Come here. I'm coming for you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna put them on my head. She's like, I'm not put those on my head. Any idea what's going on here? What is with the binoculars? Do you understand?
That's a good question. Some sort of explorer?
Gotta get the license plate cover. Because right now mine says CarMax. This is the best dichotomy of my relationship with my mother. You see what I have picked up, you see what she's picked up. All this stuff.
What about this here? This soap?
I want to hit him, but
Why? Ferret farts. I don't think he realized that's what it said. Did you?
No, I did.
You did?
Yeah.
of course you did.
I knew I'd find something. We're gonna take one of these. That's a. Did you get that on camera?
I got you looking at it, but
Oh yeah, I've driven many times. I was telling Corey somewhere I have a picture of you and Dad sitting on one of these.
Yeah.
So now you see all the cabins over there, Ma. See how many of them there are. We are going to go out that way first. Okay, so we are over at the Wave in the Contemporary. We've been talking about this restaurant for a while now, and the reason we're back here is the DVC dining package. So if you're a DVC member, you get a 3-course meal, appetizer, main course, dessert, and non-alcoholic beverage, and then access to the Top of the World Lounge, which you have anyway as a DVC member, but access to the Top of the World Lounge for the Happily Ever After fireworks at the Magic Kingdom. So, Teresa has joined us, and I guess he's not going to go to her. That's fine. There she is. And Mom, and Corey Fiasconaro on camera. So we're going to see how this is. And this is for, I believe, I don't know that you need to be staying on property to do this. I guess I got to find out. If I can just book this as a DVC member, or do I need to be staying on property? I don't know. But I will find that out for you because I'm here for you. Okay, so we just finished our DVC dinner package or whatever it's called. And I want to say this was about $60 a person. I don't remember exactly, unfortunately. It's prepaid when you call member services. It's a 3-course meal. It's a prefix menu. It's a little more limited than the regular menu, but all the good stuff is on there. Teresa got to try the bacon and eggs.
Oh, heaven.
You really enjoyed that.
Yes, I needed to be alone.
And Ma, you had the braised short rib.
Good.
Was very good?
Very good. Yes.
And I had the pork. and everything was delicious. I mean,
Awesome portions. Yeah.
yeah, I mean, always, it's really good food. So you go and you do that. They like you to get here around 6 o'clock or so. And then you head over to Bay Lake Tower. You go up the top of the world. And around 8 o'clock, they start serving desserts and champagne and soft drinks and all that other stuff. And you have a special area to watch the fireworks at the Magic Kingdom. So that's what we're going to do now. We're going to head over there and we're going to check that out.
Good.
Okay, so that ends our day. It's also like the end of our little trip. Teresa just joined along for dinner tonight. Did you have a good time?
I did.
What'd you think of the lounge?
I loved it. Loved it.
The lounge was beautiful.
Perfect.
You know,
Perfect,
it's
yeah.
a really nice perk of
It is.
being a DVC member.
definitely.
Did you enjoy that?
Yes, very much.
We had a very active day.
Yes, we did.
We had a very active day. And, you know, so it was a great couple nights that we spent here. Our first day as a DVC member at Wilderness Lodge at Boulder Ridge. I had a great time. And Corey did a great job keeping up with us. And he was like all over the place filming this. So you did an awesome job, Corey. And that'll do it, folks. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. And we will see you again next time. Say goodbye, Mom.
Bye.
Bye, Mom.
You're supposed to say goodbye, Mom.